Hey you guys, I wanted to talk to you about the visual rhetorical analysis essay. So it is 100 points. It is due March 28th, and that gives us about 3 weeks to complete it. What you're going to do is you're going to analyze a video advertisement. So jump on YouTube, and I would suggest checking out the Super Bowl ads from 2020 and even 2021. You can choose any video ad that you possibly want, but you're going to analyze it for its rhetorical strategies. And so you here is a description of ethos, pathos, and logos. And you're gonna, there's a lot of embedded videos in here to help you get through this. So it is 3 outside sources, but one of the sources can be the image or the video, and then the other source can be Studio Binder, which is the website that you're going to learn even more about ethos, pathos, and logos in specific ads. So let's see, I don't even know where to begin other than there's just a lot of videos you can refer to help you get through this. There are preliminary assignments that are due between now and next Tuesday, and you get to choose the due dates that you will be turning those in. So here's brainstorming. Just go to a couple websites, think about some ads you want to analyze, and then as soon as you watch them, just brainstorm the elements that you notice right away, the persuasive elements. And again, you're going to go to studiobinder.com, which is what this is, and you're going to learn about what those qualities can be. Then you're going to develop a working thesis because it can change. And there's a quick video about how to write a thesis statement here. Annotated bibliography, it sounds really confusing, but it's not. And you just have to use 2 sources to write the annotated bibliography. If you click that, it gives you the down and dirty version. An outline, it has a suggested outline. So these 4 assignments are due anytime between now and next Tuesday. So you choose when these are done. Next Tuesday is when we're going to start the peer review and the first draft. So if you're wondering the difference between search and research, please click that video. That one's really fast. Information cycle, that's another quick video. Persuasive techniques and videos, that's another one. Writing process is here. Essay organization is here. And this worksheet is actually really good to help you know how to describe that ad and then how to analyze it and how, like, what should you actually be looking at. The first draft is due the 16th, so these preliminary things are due before the 16th, but then again, the rough draft is due also the 16th. If you're falling behind, don't worry about it because we have 8 days or 7 days of peer review. So I put down this due date because that's when we're starting peer review, but like you can put it out there on the 17th or the 18th, and I'm sure there's going to be somebody who doesn't have a partner and they can just help you peer edit. You do not get points for putting your paper up there. You get points for reviewing somebody's paper. So that's how you get points. And then these are the criteria that I'm looking for the first draft, the second draft. The peer review is the 16th through the 25th, and then the final draft is due the 28th. Now, last time for this I Believe essay, I had my own rubric, but now we're going to move into Grand Valley State University's rubric. So this is their rubric. It is specific to Grand Valley, but technically it's kind of like a universal rubric. So this is how you're going to be evaluated, and this is exactly how the essays that you turn in for your portfolio are going to be graded as well. So I'm introducing you to the grading criteria specifically for Grand Valley. So anyways, you guys, I hope you have a great day, and hopefully this was helpful.